Hello everybody and welcome back. We are at the final stages of putting this watch now back together. Hopefully you tuned in for the first couple episodes where you saw that I did replace the minute hand. As you can see here, it is not the same size as the other one was, but I'm okay with that. It is the same color, and as you can see at night, it's very clear as to what time it is. So I'm very, very happy, very pleased. And even in the daytime, it does match all the way around, and you can only see the difference if you turn it to the side, which you're not going to see that angle once it's in the glass. So I'm very happy with this job. This is my personal watch. If this was a watch for someone that I was doing this for, you know, it would be a different story. But this was a trial and error situation. I wasn't even expecting these type of results, so I'm very pleased. So let's get this back in. So we want to make sure that we get this watch in with the crown side. So the crown side is going to be your 3 o'clock position. Okay, so that means that we need to place it. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's make this easy. And I'm going to take this plastic piece out because it's actually not in the right position, but I'm going to do it once I have the watch in place. So here's the proper look of the watch, okay? And what we're going to do is we're just going to simply, without touching the face, just place this right over. And get it right in there, just like so. And I'm going to now take this plastic piece out, and I want to reposition it because I want to make sure that this piece here is where the crown goes through. So we're going to place that right back into play. Actually, what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to do that yet. I want to put the crown back in first, and then we can put that right over the crown. Again, you're learning with me, so we're going to just put the crown right back in where it was and simply push it in, just like so. There you go. And then we just double check to make sure. Spin it around. Okay, we're not locked into play here. Typically when you get these back in, I might have to move, this movement might have to move over or something, let's say. Typically you can get these right back in with no problem. I think we're okay now. Let's see. Yes. We are locked in now. All right. So basically there's some wiggle room here still, as you can see. So I had to move it over more, and now it is locked in. So that was the delay there. Now we can put the plastic piece in, just like so. As you can see, again, that gap is right there over the crown, and we're just going to snap that right back into play, just like so. Perfect. And let's just see if we can adjust the hands, just like that. Great. And as we saw here, the date was adjusting just fine. Awesome. Let's replace the battery. I can take these gloves off now. It's a pain to use these things. And we're just going to slip that battery right back in, like so. And our watch is back to running. Now those fingerprints that you see are hopefully just on the top. Yes, sir. Looking good, looking good. And then all we got to do at this point is put the case back on like that, put the screws in, and take a look at that. We now have our Luminox back to running, and it is once again luminescent. Very, very satisfied. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining me on this journey. When I first started this series, I had no idea what to expect, and I was just going to run with it. And I'm going to do this here and there, so I hope you guys enjoy these series. Thank you very much for joining me. Please leave some comments below. Thank you so much. Have a good day.